Hi, this is Joe Alsobrook, and in 90 seconds or less, I'm going to show you how to use Canvas conferences to hold office hours. To begin, I've posted an announcement in my Canvas shell telling my students the days and times that I'll be available. To hold my office hours through Canvas conferences, I simply click on Conferences. I create a conference. I call it Office Hours or whatever you would like. You determine the durations. In this case, I'm going to be available for 90 minutes. I invite all course members, so I leave that box checked, and I click Update. Now I've created the conference. I just need to start it. So it's going to ask me to test my audio. I'm going to join my microphone, allow it to access my microphone. Now it's going to test it, make sure it's working, test everything's working fine.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
And now I've created a conference. So my students can see me. I'm going to share my webcam. I'm going to allow that. It's going to find it, and I am going to share it. And so now my students can see me. And when they log in, if they're sharing their webcam, I can see them, and we can have a conversation. They can ask questions. We can have a discussion, whatever's needed. And there you have it. Using Canvas conferences to host online office hours.